everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your legal name on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Coinbase account from the official web page. Click the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and enter your credentials for your Coinbase account to log in. Once logged into your Coinbase account, click on the profile icon at the upper right hand corner. Now click on settings from the pop-up menu. You'll end up in this page where the profile tab is clicked on. Scroll all the way down right where it says personal details and you can see your legal name popping up in the display. In order to change your legal name, you'll need to verify an ID document. Click on this here link right where it says change your legal name by verifying an ID document, and on the next page, verify your documents by choosing one of the ID type from the display. You can either choose your passport, driver's license, or your national ID card. Click on any one option and upload your file by clicking on either file upload and select one of your ID type from your library, or you can also use your mobile camera in order to click the picture of the ID. Also, you can use your webcam, choose any one method, and once you upload your verification information, you'll be able to change your legal name on Coinbase. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.